Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. For our problem-based learning, we are going to present to you the Sim 4. Who are going to present are me, Maisarah, and Farhani. First, let me tell you about The Sims 4. The Sims 4 is a life simulation game where players can create a sim character and control their life to explore different personalities which can change the way the games play out. So, our evaluation based on heuristic evaluation principles are first,
Visibility of system status. Always inform user about what is happening. Players should know the current system status thanks to the design giving feedback within a reasonable amount of time so that players can know the outcome of prior interaction and determine what to do next. Being able to predict interaction creates trust in the product. It makes the players feel like they are in control. In the sim force, they have information on the current time and the weather, so players could be alert about what to prepare for their sims if there are events happening or they are trying to complete their quest. Another example is whenever there is an event happening or the players sims have successfully completed a quest, a notification will pop up at the notification button. Player could also see all notifications by clicking on the button and just scroll down. Next is consistency and standards. To avoid making user wonder whether different words, situation or action mean the same thing, uses a similar display as their previous games and the display is common in other games as well. This display is to inform the current state of the player's sim, which include active buff and timer, their current mood, hygiene, energy level, hunger, fun, and social level. The negative buff will disappear after player fulfill all the sim needs. For example, choosing not to exercise due to low energy levels and instead sleep or buy a coffee to recover the energy. Next is mesh between system and the real world. The image provided are the calendar and the bill utilities. Both of these are the same as our real world. Speak the user's language using word, phrases and concepts familiar to users rather than system-oriented terms. In the Sim 4, there is a mobile phone button which would pop up a notification when there is a message or call. Their interface is very easy to understand and quite similar to our life. For instance, the chat bubble button indicates social interactions such as social media and variety of other options. Next, the car button indicates travel, moving, vacation or volunteering. And any unavailable interaction will have a pop-up notification when we click on it to tell us why it is unavailable and when will it be available. User control and freedom provide ways of allowing users to easily escape from places they unexpectedly find themselves by using clearly marked emergency exit. In the Sim 4, players could pause the game or cancel the task that their sims are doing, but there is no undo and redo button. The only option to undo the game is to exit without saving, but that means the user has to play the same route again. Next is flexibility and efficient of use. It provides accelerators that are invisible to novice users, but allow more experienced users to carry out tasks more quickly. The sim are currently using normal speed. This is the pause speed, where the game would pause. Next is the normal speed. Second is the 2 times speed. And ultra speed is a 3 times speed than the normal speed.
next principle is help user recognize, diagnose, and recovers from errors where there are error messages that help users understand the problem and provide information that can teach users how to recover from the error. Next, error prevention to help users to understand what action that they should take so they can prevent the errors from happen. Recognition rather than recalls to minimize the user's memory load by making objects, action, and options visible. So users should not have to remember information from one part of the dialog to another. Next, aesthetic and minimalist design, where the interface are aesthetically pleasant and relevant, which does not contain irrelevant information that can increase efficiency among users. Help and documentation, where the right information present at the right place. So any such information are easy to search and focus on the user's task. So that's all from us. Thank you.